So I have a very strong opinion on products like this. So I eat keto, so I try to keep my carbohydrates and my sugars as low as humanly possible. So I test a lot of different products like this. This is a lower carb option for Fusilli noodles, and it is 6 grams of net carbs per serving, which is pretty remarkably low when you compare it to like traditional pastas. Now here's where my gripe is. If you are looking for a keto version of something, or you're vegan and you're looking for a vegan version of something, they are never going to taste exactly like the regular version that you used to love. You just need to get okay with figuring out recipes and things that you like that do fit into your diet. This, for example, is a noodle that I think is one of the better ones on the market. Doesn't get super mushy. I like to mix it with meat and heat it up afterwards, so if they get too mushy, it falls apart. This one doesn't seem to do that for me. But if you doctor up the low-carb pasta sauces and add nice low-carb seasonings and hot sauces and things, then in my opinion, this is a very eatable, enjoyable bowl of pasta. It's never going to taste the same as your grandmother's pasta, but in my opinion, it fits way better into my diet and tastes reasonably good. I've tried lots of different kinds. This is definitely by far one of my favorites and one of the best ones that I have found, and I would definitely recommend it.